Now, the one thing I always hear about herbs is how they can really add to cooking.
Well, they're a fantastic thing for your cooking, but they're also fantastic for the garden, and they're fun to grow. You've got something like this here, which is the rosemary plant. You've got the whole family of sages, annual basil, the mints. The mints are very invasive, but they're great to use in your mint juleps.
Well, that's very important. Fragrance, there's really a lot of fragrance coming off of this rosemary.
That's right. The herbs get their fragrance and their use in cooking from their foliage for the most part. But there's another thing that foliage also does. Where I'm from, we have a big deer problem. Deer are just eating all the landscapes. But one thing they don't like are herbs because of the sort of aromatic strength of the foliage. So you can use this as a barrier to protect other plantings, and they really will just leave the nice plants, the ones they love, alone.
Now, how about how hard is it to grow an herb garden? I mean, just what kind of elements do you really need to make it come together?
Not hard at all. What you really want is full sun. You need very good drainage. They're not going to be happy in soggy soil. And then you also want very lean soil. They don't like a lot of fertilization.
Okay, all right, so that sounds pretty simple. In order to improve my cooking, then all I need is, I guess, an herb garden.
Danny, I think you need a little bit more than that.